Hello, today I'll be showing you some of my gun designs. This is Halo 3 Battle Assault Rifle. You load the ammo right there. You blow from here. As you saw in my last video, it wasn't decorated at all. Here's the scope, the handle. Okay. Yep. Okay. Now, this is my shotgun. I painted this one, but it didn't really take that long to make. It only took about 5 minutes. So, in my latest video, you could watch me make that. And this is the shotgun. Here's the scope. And it's the same features as the Halo one. It has where you put the bullet in there. Yeah, but this one has a clip. And another clip on this side, but I don't want to. So, thank you for watching. Leave your comments. Bye.